Hello, Competitive Outlook family. I hope you all are doing very well. I am back with the next set of important MCQs on current affairs of February 2024. This is day 17, so let us proceed. Question number 162 is Statue of Unity, recently seen in the news, is located on the banks of which river? Options are A. Narmada River, B. Tapi River, C. Sabarmati River, D. Luni River. Correct answer is option A, Narmada River. Dozens of exotic birds and animals relocated to Gujarat's Sardar Patel Zoological Park near the Statue of Unity have perished in the past 2 years. The 182-meter tall statue dedicated to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel stands on Sadhu Bat Island, Gujarat by the Narmada Dam. Constructed by Larsen and Turbo and designed by Ram V. Sutar, the statue honors India's Iron Man. Question number 163 is India's first Gati Shakti research chair has been established at which institute? Options are A. IIM Ahmedabad, B. IIM Shillong, C. IIT Kanpur, D. IIT Bombay. Correct answer is option B, that is IIM Shillong. The Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways and IIM Shillong have joined forces to establish India's inaugural Gati Shakti Research Chair. This collaborative effort aims to boost academic research in multimodal logistics with a specific focus on the Northeast region. Question number 164 is Gujarai Solar Power Station, recently seen in the news, is located in which state? Options are A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Maharashtra, D. Gujarat. Correct answer is option A. Uttar Pradesh. State-run SJVN achieved commercial electricity supply from its 50 megawatt Gujarai solar power station in Kanpur Dehat, Uttar Pradesh. The project executed by SJVN through its renewable arm SGEL at a cost of rupees 281 crore is now operational. SJVN's total installed power capacity is 2277 megawatt across 10 power stations. Question number 165 is what was India's ranking in the Global Cybercrime Report for 2023? Options are A. 79th, B. 80th, C. 85th, D. 84th. Correct answer is option B, that is 80th. According to a 2023 report, India is the 80th most targeted country worldwide for cybercrime. The report states that 34% of Indian users were targeted by local threats in 2023, totaling 74 million incidents. In 2023, India has a national cybercrime rate of 129 per 100,000 citizens. Question number 166 is Kali Tiger Reserve, recently seen in the news, is located in which state? Options are A. Tamil Nadu, B. Maharashtra, C. Karnataka, D. Kerala. Correct answer is option C, Karnataka. Recently, 40 spotted deer were relocated from Mysuru Zoo to Kali Tiger Reserve's Panasoli Ranch. The spotted deer or cheetal are native to the Indian subcontinent and are prevalent in Indian forests. They inhabit subtropical grasslands and forests with a lifespan of 20 to 30 years, standing at 35 inches tall and weighing 187 pounds. Question number 167 is Dharma Guardian exercise, recently seen in the news, is conducted between which two countries? Options are A. India and Japan, B. India and Sri Lanka, C. India and Egypt, D. India and Australia. Correct answer is option A, India and Japan. The 5th edition of joint military exercise Dharma Guardian began at Mahajan Field Firing Ranges, Rajasthan, India, lasting from February 25 to March 9, 2024. It involves the Indian Army and Japan Ground Self-Defense Force, emphasizing joint tactical maneuver in a simulated semi-urban setting. Question number 168 is Atukal Pongala Festival, recently seen in the news, is celebrated in which state? Options are A. Gujarat, B. Kerala, C. Maharashtra, D. Karnataka. Correct answer is option B, Kerala. Atukal Pongala, the world's largest women's congregation festival, extends globally with devotees observing rituals in the US and the UK. It is celebrated annually at Kerala's Attukal Bhagavathi temple. The event spans 10 days starting on the Karthigai star of the Malayalam month of Makaram or Kumbham. Question number 169 is, recently Bihar state government signed an agreement with which bank to promote the startup ecosystem? Options are A. SIDBI, B. HDFC, C. SBI, D. NABARD. Correct answer is option A, SIDBI. The Small Industries Development Bank of India and the Bihar Startup Fund Trust signed an agreement to manage the Bihar Startup Scale Up Financing Fund. The agreement was signed by Pankaj Dixit, the Director of Department of Industries for the Government of Bihar, and Arjit Dutt, the General Manager of SIDBI. The agreement aims to create a favorable environment for startups and turn Bihar into a startup hub. Question number 170 is, Solar Energy Corporation of India Limited has successfully commissioned India's largest battery energy storage system in which state? Options are A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Jharkhand, C. Chhattisgarh, D. Gujarat. Correct answer is option C, that is Chhattisgarh. SECI has successfully commissioned India's largest battery energy storage system in Chhattisgarh, funded by the World Bank and Clean Technology Fund. The project utilizes battery storage to store solar energy for peak demand in the evening. It incorporates bifacial solar panels capturing direct and reflected light, increasing electricity generation. Question number 171 is, recently which state established a special fund to save purple frog in the Western Ghats? Options are A. Odisha, B. Kerala, C. Karnataka, D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is option D, Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu has established a special fund to conserve the purple frog, considered a living fossil coexisting with dinosaurs. Acknowledged globally as one of the rarest frogs, it belongs to Soglossidae family and spends most of its life underground, emerging only during the monsoon for mating. With these, the important MCQs on current affairs of February 2024, day 17 comes to an end. I hope you find this important. Do like, subscribe and share, and also hit the bell icon so that every update of this channel reaches to you at the earliest. Thank you. Have a nice day.